Hey y'all, it's Chimney back with another Crochet Braids tutorial. This one pretty closely follows my blonde Bohemian Crochet Braids video, so check that one out if you have not already. The main difference is the curl pattern. I'm doing fewer braids to reduce the amount of tension on my head and to shorten the styling time in general. They're still going straight back, and I'm oiling my scalp with a mix of castor oil and olive oil. This is the hair I'm using, 2.5 packs of FreeTress Bohemian Braid hair in the color gray. I cut each pack in half and separated each curl once or twice before installing for a more natural look. I didn't soak the hair in a conditioner water mix this time, and I didn't have any problem separating the curls, but this could be because each curl is a mix of silver and black versus like one uniform color, but I don't know. It could just be that the packs of hair I bought had less glue, so they were easier to separate. Next, I just frame my face and shape the hair using a regular pair of scissors. And that's it, y'all. Here is how the back is looking, and here is the final look. I love this. It's very different for me. It is very, very cool. I kind of feel like if Storm was a naturalista, like this is how she would style her hair, and like I love it. This is just like, this is everything. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you liked it. Give me a like if you did. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you on the next one.